Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where League of Legends client is not opening on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. We need to make sure first that our Windows is updated. So here you can just simply check for any updates, download and install all updates, and then restart now to update your Windows. So once this is done, close this. Then right-click at the taskbar, select Task Manager. Then here in the list of processes, you need to look for the League of Legends client. So if you find that, just simply make a right-click and then select End Task. So once that is done, close this. Then search for Explorer in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Then click on this PC. Double-click on Windows C drive. Scroll down and look for a folder named Riot Games. Click on the League of Legends. In here, you'll find a League client. Right-click and then select Run as Administrator. Or you can simply right-click and then select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Then here, click on the Compatibility tab. Click on this Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click on Run this program as an administrator. Click on Apply and then OK. And once done, close this. Then we need to search for Firewall in the Windows search bar. Click on this. Now, before we're going to make changes here, we need to open the file location first and we need to copy the location of the League of Legends client. So right-click on the desktop icon for the League of Legends client, select Open File Location. Then here we need to copy this. Once done, just minimize this and then open your Windows Defender Firewall. On the left pane, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then here, click on Change Settings. Click on Allow another app. Click on Browse. Then here, we just need to paste what we have copied earlier for the path. Click on this arrow. And then click on Riot Client Services. Click on Open. Click on Add. Now, Riot is already in the list of exceptions. So in your case, Riot is still not there. Then you can just simply do the same process. So look for the Riot client right here. So make sure this is checked, the Riot client for private and public. Again, make sure this is checked for Riot client, both the private and the public, and then click on OK. And then once done, try opening your League of Legends client. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.